Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. As you can hear, it's super rainy today. Not really a fan of it, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Today we are in the S. I know I'm driving in the rain. Probably wondering why am I in the rain, but we got some work to do on this car. We got some maintenance. We're gonna get an oil change, and it decided to rain on the day I'm getting an oil change, so that's why I'm out here. I'm gonna be careful. We're still on summers, but we're still gonna enjoy this drive. So we are almost there, almost ready to get this oil change done. But I must say, the S is gliding through this rain. I'm surprised. It's been so good. We're chilling, we're just cruising, and let's get this job done.
5 minutes later.
A few minutes later, now we're here at the shop, ready to get this oil change. I hate that it's raining today, but it's all good. But I'm happy we made it here safely. Let's just get this oil change done. And I don't know what I'm gonna be up to today. Maybe just update y'all on what I've been doing, what's been going on. These might be my last few days in the S, so I gotta enjoy it while it lasts. I'm gonna miss this interior view, but let's just see what we get into today. Hopefully everything goes well. Alright squad, so we're all good to go. Oil change is complete. We got fresh oil for the winter season. These are the kilometers I'm at. I did the reset. So we're all good for the winter season now. I don't gotta worry about oil. Last winter I didn't change the oil, and it was a struggle. So now we're good. Time to head back home. Maintenance is complete, and let's see what we get into. Car's sounding good. That was good. So I'm not gonna lie, this is the first oil change I did since the car went down. So everything's been good. The last oil change, it didn't really burn as much, so that's really good. I'm happy about that. I've been babying the car. I haven't hit VTEC like that, as you guys saw, but you know, a VTEC a day keeps the sludge away, so gotta enjoy it while it lasts. Let's try again one more time. To see. Finally made it home. Nice to see the JZX. But here's the S. Super gloomy today. So this thing is gonna need a car wash after today. But as far as oil goes, this is what I'm running. Motul 5W40. It's been taking care of me. All right, so we good, we parked up, we all safe, most important part. But I'm happy the S is running perfectly. Car is gonna be put away soon for the winter. Then we should be moving on to this one. So this car is actually the daily right now. This guy's been holding it down. It is November 30th right now as we speak. Last day of November, still driving the S. it's time to change that soon. Oh, and as far as those taillights go, you guys remember I did those taillights? Look what's happening right now. Getting extreme condensation on this side. I don't know why. This side is fine. It's normal. I don't know. I installed it properly, put the gasket, but we keep getting condensation. So the moral of the story, don't buy eBay parts. This is what's gonna happen. But I still love it. LED taillights for cheap. This is one of my favorite mods, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so another update. The pile of RPF ones are gone. They're officially sold off to the new owner. Shout out to Ben if you are watching this. Shout out to Ben for picking it up. It's gonna look great on your car. But it's time to look for a new set of wheels for the S. And I got some plans, I got some good ideas in mind. I think you guys are gonna like the new setup.
3 days later.
Okay squad, so it's been a few days since the last clip you saw. I wasn't a big fan of all that gloominess, but today's a new day. As you can see, the S2000 is absolutely filthy from driving in that type of weather. So today we're gonna head out, we're gonna get a car wash. This is probably gonna be the last drive with the S2000. So I'm gonna bring the GoPro along. I can't believe it's already December. So it's time to put this car away. Let's bring it out, let's take care of her. I do got a little bit of traffic to go through, but we'll get it done. And I just want to say real quick, thank you guys for all the recent subscribers. I really appreciate it. This channel is almost at 10K. So thank you guys for subscribing to me. I think here at High Beams, we've got a lot of potential. This is what I like to do. I like to modify cars, make them look a little bit cool, add my touch to it. We got the GZX now, and yeah, we got a lot of potential. More to come from me, more to come from this channel. I hope to work hard, do my best, keep grinding, and let's get all these projects right. Let's have fun. So thank you guys for the recent subs. Wish me luck getting through all this traffic to get this car out, but with a little bit of YouTube magic, I can make this quick. All right, so we in the car, time to head to the car wash. Last drive in the S. Giving you a little POV. Because it is colder, I feel like the exhaust is just a little bit louder, but it's all good. Look at the sunset. It gets dark super early. It's only like 4:30 right now, but that's the winter life. Do a little 1-2. Last drive, gotta enjoy it. Ooh, stiff. Try and get one more here. Three, two, one. For a little car, this car moves. Look at those views. I hope you guys can see it through the camera, but got a nice little sunset. So I gotta keep myself occupied over the winter. It kind of sucks that we have to take a break from the cars, like doing stuff, working on the cars, and you lose that momentum. But I'm gonna try my best and still be in the zone. But for now, just appreciate that view right now. Jeez. So yeah, over the winter, I am gonna try and keep myself occupied and busy. So for the S2000, I'm still gonna be working on it. We gotta go through the suspension, a few suspension mods that we gotta do. So the rear needs some end links. The front, we need some control arms. Ball joint, we need the rubber boot. What else? We got a bump steer kit coming in. So we just gotta do like minor things. And then once I do the control arms and everything, we're gonna get the front coilovers on. And then we're gonna need an alignment. The new wheels is gonna be coming in as well. New tires, new setup, everything. So the suspension for this car over the winter should be dealt with. And then as far as the JZX, got some parts coming in for that car next year. Should be here in the spring. So we do gotta wait. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna be a process, but like I said, I'm gonna keep myself busy. You guys are probably wondering why I'm not dailying the JZX yet. So I did get some insurance quotes for that car, and it's a little bit out of the budget. So I will figure it out. We'll see what we'll do with it. Still wanna keep it, still wanna continue the project, but we'll figure it out. So here we are, we're at the car wash. I see an empty spot, I'm gonna take that. Let's get this car cleaned up. Let's go. So we back on the cam. Look how filthy this car is. See the watermarks. Headlights are dirty. Let's get this done. All done. Looking way better, way cleaner. Ready to be parked away. So it's completely dark. It's time to head back home. I'm gonna call it a night. Maybe we'll switch to the GoPro and just cruise home. But this is it. Last drive in the S. Some light back in the ends, but it's time to call it a night. I'm gonna put this car away. It's been fun. What a year it's been. 2022, not the best year in terms of content, having the car down, but we will be moving forward. Can't wait to see what the new year has to bring. And we still got some stuff to do for the rest of the year. So thank you guys for all the recent support. I really appreciate that. Gonna continue the grind. It's been a while since I started filming and making videos on cars and editing. Like, this is all new to me. Should we do one more? We are in the ends, can't go too crazy. race car. Ooh, love this car. So we made it. Hair's all kind of crazy because of the GoPro, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a little vlog, little day of my life, last day in the S. We will figure out this situation soon. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. We're almost at 10K, but stay safe out there. I'm out. Peace.